chances are you have logged in Evernote using an app version of Evernote and web version of Evernote and even desktop version of Evernote. And sometimes what you may want to do is revoke out access to one of those devices, especially when you used to log in into the Evernote using a public computer or someone else's computer. So to do that, you can go around over here onto the gear icon to access the settings. And once you go around over here, you can see devices is an option right here. Once you go around over here, you can click on go to your profile. And once you do that, it opens up the web page where you access the devices right here. So here you can see that this is the last accessed devices that you have right here. In my case, there's the Evernote web right here and Evernote for Windows. So let's say I want to keep the access for the Evernote for Windows right here, but I don't want to keep the access for Evernote web. So all I need to do is revoke out access right here, and it says you'll need to sign back into Evernote on this device. So you'll be signed out of that particular device, and in my case this is the web right here, and it says I am logged out. So to ensure security and to ensure the safety of your notes, you can revoke out access just like that in Evernote. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share and subscribe.